Income from other sources, part 3. Income Tax Act 1961. Lesson 11. Income from other sources continued. This is part 3. Good morning, everybody. I am Mr. T.B.Agarwal speaking from Agarwal Income Tax Tuition Classes, Akola. In the last video, that is in part 2, we have seen the specific items covered under the head Income from other sources under section 56(2) of the Act for charging of income tax. Today, we will see subsection 1 of section 56, that is section 56(1) of the IT Act 1961, under which the income from items listed below is taxed under the head Income from other sources. We have already seen that there are two subsections to section 56, subsection 1 and subsection 2. Subsection 2 is for particular items of income chargeable under this head, whereas subsection 1 of section 56 is for general items of income which are not covered under the four heads of income, and no particular head of income is prescribed for them in that, but on which income tax is to be charged. We have also seen the three conditions for chargeability of such income under this head under section 56. They are that there is an income and that the income is not exempt under section 10 to 13A, means it is not exempt from tax, and that the same is also not covered under the four heads of income already discussed by us. The items can be listed as mentioned below. 1. Interest on bank deposit and loans. 2. Interest from royalty. 3. Interest from subletting of building or any other thing taken on rent. 4. Director's fee. 5. Ground rent. 6. Director's commission. 7. Agricultural income from agricultural land situated outside India, that is in foreign country. 8. Rent of vacant plot. 9. Insurance commission. 10. Casual income. 11. Interest on securities issued by foreign government. 12. Salary to members of parliament. 13. Annuity payable under will or contract. 14. Family pension. After deducting Rs 15,000 as deduction allowable under section 57(2)(a). Here, it may be noted that the deduction is restricted to one-third of such pension or 15,000 rupees, whichever is less. However, in today's condition, 15,000 will always be less. Hence, 15,000 is given above. 15. Income from undisclosed sources. 16. Compensation received for use of business assets, etc. 17. Interest received on income tax refund. 18. Income from letting of space for hoarding, etc. 19. Alimony for separate maintenance. 20. Fees for tuition and examination received by individual not engaged in profession. 21. Withdrawal under NSS 1987 including interest, Jeevan Dhara, Jeevan Akshay, section 80CCA. 22. Interest on post office saving bank account above rupees 3,500 in case of individual and rupees 7,000 rupees in case of HUF, that is Hindu undivided family, under section 1015. Notification dated 3/6/2011. Formerly, this interest was totally exempt from tax. Here, it may be noted that the interest above rupees 3,500 in case of individual and rupees 7,000 rupees in case of HUF is taxable under this head of income. However, the interest above rupees 3,500 and rupees 7,000 added to the total income can be claimed as deduction under section 80(a) in case of individual who is not a senior citizen and HUF, and under section 80(b) in case of senior citizen up to the monetary limit prescribed therein, means prescribed under this section, the 80(tta) and 80(tt)(b). The difference between section 80(a) and section 80(b) will be studied in detail in the chapter Deductions from Total Income in the coming videos. Thus, we have studied that there are only four sections Section 56, Section 57, Section 58 and Section 59 in this chapter of income from other sources. Section 56, Head of Income. It is for the items from which income is chargeable under this head. Section 57, Deductions or expenses allowable from income under this head, which we have studied along with sources of relevant incomes. Section 58, expenses etc. not deductible from such income, like personal expenses etc. And Section 59, it is for profit chargeable to tax, means in the event of any expenditure or loss incurred by the assessee in earning the income and subsequently he gets back the expenses or loss is recovered, then that amount will be treated as profit for the year in which it is obtained. This will, however, be covered in the lessons income from business or profession. Thus, in peroration, it may be stated that we have in this video studied the various items of income from which the incomes are chargeable under the head income from other sources. If you like this video, then please press the thumbs up icon and subscribe the channel, which is free of cost, and press the bell icon next to it for getting the notification of my next video. Thanks.